Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm sitting in the 2025 Honda Odyssey with the now standard across all trim levels 9-inch touchscreen. So if you want to pair your phone, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to start off right here and it's going to show us the directions as to what we need to do. We're going to go in here to pair new device. And it's going to tell me everything I need to do. This is really very simple. Now, this is an iPhone that I'm using. If you have an Android device, it's going to work the same way. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom here where it says Honda Odyssey. So we're going to check that. And when the pairing code comes up, we're going to select pair. Then we're going to go to allow right here. And you can see that it's connecting on the screen. And we'll go ahead and hit yes just for the heck of it right there. And if you're going to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it's going to ask you if you want to use either one, depending on your phone. And there you go. It's that quick and that easy. You don't have to worry about doing anything else. So there's how you do it if you were curious to know. And it is done wirelessly, as you can see. So you don't have to have a USB cable to make that happen. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If there's something else you want to know about, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you want to see a full video on the 2025 Honda Odyssey, check out the pinned comment and I'll see you there.